Hello everybody. So tonight I am going to be bleaching, lightening, whatever you want to call it, the other half of my hair. The reason why I do half and then half is because my hair is so long and it's ridiculously thick. Like, ridiculously thick. That I just can't do it in one sitting. So that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. I will list all of the products I use down below. First, I'm going to start off with brushing my hair out, and I will be right back. Okay, I have brushed and sectioned out my hair. So now what I am going to do is mix up the lightener, aka bleach. What I am using is in this container because the one that it came in broke when I tried to open it. This is the Wella Color Charm powder lightener. I got it at Sally's. And I will be using the Wella Cream Developer 20 volume to mix it with. And I want it to be a frosting-like consistency. And I will show you. I will go ahead and get that mixed up and come right back. Okay, so I have mixed that up, and it was 3 scoops of the powder lightener and enough of the developer to get to this consistency, which is basically like frosting to me. When you are done putting your developer in, make sure that you put the lid on so that way it stays good, because it will go bad. So, I'm in a shirt that I don't give a hoot about. It doesn't fit me properly, blah blah blah. So, I don't care about it. But what I'm going to do is take a section, pull it down, get the rest of it out of the way. I wish I had clips. I need to invest in some. Make sure you have gloves too. These are not my size, but it's what I have. I have a whole box of them. I have like 98 gloves or something like that. Anyways, now what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to do my regrowth where my roots are. I'm not going to touch that because my roots will lighten way more than the rest of my hair. So what I'm going to do is go from below where my root regrowth is, do that, and then wait to do my ends, very ends. And that is because I have already dyed my hair numerous times and the ends are more fragile than anywhere else. So I'm not even going to use the brush because the brush doesn't work for me. Not all that well, at least. So I'm going to do the middle of my hair, the middle part, and then I'm leaving my ends out until after I finish doing this particular section. Sorry about the heater in the background. I'm not a professional stylist, follow at your own risk. So I just want to really make sure that I get that and coat my hair. I don't like using the brush. I feel it's more complicated than I need. I don't like how the product just ends up being in there. Like, it seems like it's stuck in there. Of course, these clothes are not my size. So at the very end, I'm doing the tip. So I'm going to do that all the way up on this half of my hair, and I will be back after I am done. Okay, so I look ridiculous right now with one in a bun and this side done. I'm going to let this sit and watch it carefully. Underneath is already starting to turn fairly blonde, so I'm just going to watch up here. I know I got some of it up there, but I'm not concerned right there. Like I said, I'm trying to leave this alone for right now. But I'm going to let this sit for maybe 30 minutes. I'm just going to watch it and make sure, and then I will wash my hair out, and I will be using the OGX Awapuhi and Ginger Shampoo, and my OGX Argan Oil Conditioner. Excuse me. I highly suggest you do this in a well-ventilated area, too. So, yeah, I will be back as soon as I wash this out, and I will let you guys see the final results. Okay, so this is the final result. This is the side that I did not touch. This is the side that I just lightened. As you can see, they are fairly close to the same color, which is a bonus. I do have some red right here, which I wasn't expecting it on this side when I first did it. I expected it this time when I lightened it. Reds are hard to get out. I was not expecting the red tone the first time. I will continue to work on my hair to get it to my goal, which is platinum. But overall, it's all the same color for now. Let me scoot back more. It's all the same color for right now. I'm going to give it a break. I could probably do something to this side, but for right now I'm just going to leave it all one color and really decide what my next step is going to be. I'm probably going to do a bleach bath again in the future after it has a decent amount of break. It's healthy right now. It's not super dry. When I rub it, it doesn't sound like straw. I've fried my hair before. I don't want to do that again, so I'm taking it slow, which is a good idea. You don't want to go from jet black to platinum blonde on your own in one day, and even a stylist is going to not recommend that. They will get you as light as possible safely without too much damage. So that's the end of today's video. I'm pleased with the results. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell to know when I upload another video. Not sure what I'm going to do next, but I hope you stay tuned. Bye.